Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramlu. Today's today's topic is growth of current in inductance resistance circuit. We can say that is a LR circuit. Growth of current in LR circuit. Consider a circuit containing a resistance or an inductance L, a two-way key and a battery EMF E connected in series as shown in figure. Two-way keys. See here, there is a two-way. So one way is S can be connected to A or S can be connected to B. So that is why it is two-way key. And here R and L are connected in series. They are along a single line or the positive. If it is a positive, it is negative of R. Then it is positive of L. It is negative of L. So negative of R is connected to the positive of L. Then we can say that is a series connection. If it is a positive negative connection is there, then we can say parallel connection. But we do not connect here parallel. We use a series combination only. When the switch S, it is S, switch S is connected to B. So when it is connected to B like this, then see this circuit is closed, right? When it is connected to B, it is closed in this manner. Okay, B, the current in the circuit grows from zero value. So at the before connecting this S value, the current in this wire is zero. After connecting S to the B, then current starts flowing through this circuit. So the starting value is 0. The inductance opposes the growth of current. This is due to fact that when the current grows through circuit, here inductance can act as a back EMF, electromotive force. So this back EMF can do, so that is inductor can oppose growing of current. So that means it works to decrease growing of current. So that is we call back EMF. A back EMF is developed with oppose the growth of current in the circuit. Okay, which oppose, so here which oppose, L can oppose, R cannot oppose. L can oppose means it can stop the growing of current through the circuit. So that is why that EMF of L is called, inductance is called back EMF. So the rate of growth of current is reduced. Rate of growth of current means with respect to time, as the time increases, current slowly decreases. That is the meaning of growth of rate of growth of current. During the growth of current in the circuit, let I be the current at any instant. So while it is current is flowing, that current let that is as I current. Then back EMF developed in the circuit will be L di by dt. So that is according to, this is according to inductance formula. So generally inductance formula pi is equals to Li. Okay, but according to second law of Faraday, what is that second law of Faraday? EMF is equals to minus d phi by dt. Then in the place of phi substitute this Li, then EMF is equals to dLi by dt. So L is a constant quantity, take it this side, then we can write L di by dt. So this is called back EMF. Okay, how it comes from Faraday's second law, that is EMF is equals to minus d phi by dt. From there only it comes, phi value is phi is equals to Li. Then the back EMF developed in the circuit will be LDI. So the effective means it is E is the EMF of a battery, right? and this is what it is, a EMF of inductor. So this inductor EMF can oppose the growing of current, so that is why it is taken as negative. It works opposite in direction. According to Ohm's law, this should be equal to resistance and current at the time at that instant, that is Ri. So that means what? This is a E minus L into di by dt is equals to Ri. That means it is a voltage. It is a voltage is equals to product of resistance into current. That is a Ohm's law, right? Ohm's law. So once again here, bring this my L into di by dt this side and R is inside. So this side, then this R is a plus term. If it comes this side, it becomes minus. It is already minus. If it comes this side, that is a plus. So see, it is a plus term, minus term. Now what you have to do? Simply bring E minus Ri. Bring E minus Ri this side and L into dt this side. Okay, see here what we have to do. So yeah, so this is, see, this can be written as E minus Ri is equals to what? That is L di by dt. Okay, now bring dt this side. So E minus Ri into dt is equals to what? So this is only, this is taken this side, so that is why bracket is. Why? Because dt not only multiplies with Ri and also multiplies with E, so that is why bracket is taken. So it is multiplies with both, is equals to dt is taken this. Next this side L di only. Now once again bring L also this side, then E minus Ri dt, and L here it is multiplying with di, then this side it divides, is equals to di. Now what you have to do? Keep dt by L this side and bring this total bracket this side. So that is why what happens? This is what? dt by L is equals to di by E minus Ri. So this is written here. Okay, di by E minus Ri, di by E minus Ri is equals to dl by dt by dl. So dt by dl, right? So like this it comes. Now what we have to do? multiplying by minus R on both side. So minus R this side and minus R this side. Now integrating on both side. Integrating, then what happens? Here there is a one formula for integration. Okay, integration of f of x, f dash of x by f of x is simply written as log of f of x only. It is log of f of x. So whatever things present, that is you have to write here only. Okay, so what is f of x? Its differentiation must present in numerator. Its differentiation must be numerator, then only it is written as log of f of x only. See here, E minus Ri differentiation. E is a constant minus Ri. Y is constant. Here di differentiation is there. Okay, E minus R. Its differentiation is what? E becomes 0 minus R into d. I can be written as di. So minus R di. See, minus R di in numerator. So that is why its differentiation is here. So we can write it is, if it is f of x, then it is simply f dash of x. So like this, f dash of x by f of x, like in this manner. That is why. So here integration, sorry for that, you must keep here integration. Integration of f dash of x by f of x is log f of x. So whatever things present in the denominator, you must write here log. So same thing in the denominator is what is E minus Ri. So on log of E minus Ri is equals to, here integration differentiation gets cancelled. Why integration differentiation gets cancelled? Or we can write is 1 also. Here We cannot cancel integration differentiation. Why? Here not only I in denominator, not only I in numerator and also present in denominator. Here see dt, t in numerator only, there is no any t in denominator. So that is why simply simple simplification, integration differentiation gets cancelled, then simply r minus r by l into this t plus a. A is called, a is a integration constant. So when we can integrate a whole equation, then we must write one constant. Okay, where is integration constant? The value of this can be obtained by applying the condition that current I is 0 just at starting. So if you want to get the A value, then what we have to do? We have to apply the boundary condition or beginning condition. So beginning conditions what? At suppose the time is not started, then current is also cannot start. So at a time 0, at the beginning, current is also 0. So time 0, current is also 0. So time 0, here time 0, current 0 means here 0. So then what? See, this is the equation. And now E minus 0 is E only. This 0 totally 0, 0 plus A is A only. Now A value is log E base E, log E base E. Substitute A value in the equation 1. Then we get here like this. And now bring log E base E this side. Now it is a plus term. If it comes this side, it becomes minus. Okay. Now see, it is in the form of log A minus log B form. So log A minus log B is log A by B formula. So in the same manner I have written. Okay. So log A by B, right? A by B. So it is A, it is B, A by B. Okay. And see, when it is a log is there, if you are writing anti-log, means in exponential term. See, it is in the form of log B base E is equals to x form. In the place of B, what you have? This is total. E as it is E here only. And in the place of x, what you have? This is. So whatever present this one, you must keep in on head of E. On head of E means here x is there, E power of x. Make it equal to B. Like this. Okay, E power of x is equals to B. So here what we have, the same formula, if we implement, if we apply to this one, whatever things present here, write it is E power only and make it equal. So this equal is equals to E power this one. Okay, same rule is applied, same rule. And now separate these things. So E by E and Ri by E. So separate it and it is as it is written. Now A by E gets cancelled and its value 1 minus this is same thing. Okay. And next, bring this value this side and exponential term this side. So this is a negative term. If it goes that side, then that is positive. It is already positive term. If it come this side, then it is negative. So E value is negative this side. And keep I this side only. Bring R by E this side. Okay. Keeping I, with I, R is multiplying and this side it divides. With I, E is dividing, this side multiplies. And we know that it is voltage, it is a resistance. Voltage by resistance is a current, but it is a battery voltage. So that is why a battery voltage by resistance is called maximum current. So that is maximum current is denoted by I naught. So this term is I naught. So I is equals to I naught into this bracket. I is equals to I naught into this bracket. Okay, for this what I am doing, I am going to applying the conditions. So that is T is equals to L by R. Here R by L is there. Multiply its reverse value. Substitute reverse value with at the place of T. Then this is called what? It is called time constant. Okay, time constant for inductor only. Why? Because time constant for capacitor also present. So that is why it is a time constant for inductor. Okay. If you substitute time constant, so T value in the place of T as L by R. L by R. R cancel, LL cancel. Here minus will be there, right? minus. So e power of minus 1. E power of minus 1 can be written as, if you have to remove minus 1, then write it in denominator. Yes, denominator is written. And if you simplify it, then e value, exponential value is 2.7, sorry, it is wrong, 2.718. okay, it is what, 2.718 only, or sometime 2.72 some people will write. So but it is 2.7, sir, it is not a dot, it is not point, 2.718 only, sorry for this. And if you simplify this bracket, then you can get 0.63. okay, so in terms of percentage, it can be written as I is equals to 63 percentage of I naught. So that means after L by or second current reaches a value which is 63 percentage only, so that means current can grow up to 63 percentage only out of total current. So what about the remaining current? So remaining current is 37% has to increase. okay, the value L by R is called time constant of circuit. okay, it is time constant, and the time constant L by R defined as the time in which the current rises from 0 to 63 percentage only, 0 to 63 percentage of its total value, that is called time constant. And see, growing diagram is there, time is taken on x-axis, current is taken on y-axis, and it is the maximum current. Then see, current slowly growing, and it reaches maximum value, and it never touches to this value. Why? Because if it touches to this value, then it reaches to the what, it reaches to maximum value. But when this curve touches to this value, means when this circuit gains a maximum current, at a time t is equals to infinity only. So when the time reaches to infinity, then only current will gain maximum current, and the graph can show this line can meet to this dotted line. okay friends, so thank you friends, don't forget